And back farther if you need to. You recording?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Hey, I wanted to show you guys this angle. This angle here is all messed up, okay? And what's happened is one wall or the other, I'm not sure which one, has done this, moved. So it looks like this wall here has probably come down where this wall pretty much stayed the same. It didn't move because actually it's sitting on concrete. It didn't move. And this settled down and it just tweaked the angle. And so I got to cut this all out. I cut it out down here already, but now I got to cut it all out. And you can, if you can get close, let me see if I can't zoom in on it. I want to show one thing on the ceiling. If I can get to it, you guys can see it. There it is. Whoops. Everything's all white. It doesn't know where it is. But if you look right there, you can see those wrinkles up there. It just went out of focus again. Right there, you can see those wrinkles out there. And so that's twisted too, and it's popped. And I just got it, all of the tape is loose. All of this tape in here is really loose. You can't have loose tape. And when I get in here and with my knife and cut it out, I can pull out all of this loose tape and remove it. And then I'll retape it. I'll scrape all of the loose stuff out. You've heard me say it before. It's really important. If there's anything loose, if there's anything flaking off the wall, if there's any paper, any drywall that's broken, it's got to be removed. You got to take that out of there. Put Durabond in its place, or just tape it and get the mud in there to make it solid again. You guys have a good day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.